Experiencing sound problems with your LG 34-inch ultra-wide monitor speakers? The most common culprits are incorrect audio output settings, volume levels, and app-specific configurations. Firmware updates have resolved many issues, so we'll guide you through troubleshooting these points for a quick fix. Start by checking physical connections. First, ensure your HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cable is securely connected to both your computer and the LG monitor. Then, set your LG monitor as the default audio device in your operating system. Go to your system's sound settings and select the LG monitor as the primary playback device. This step is crucial for proper audio routing. To access the monitor's on-screen display menu, locate the joystick button on the front of your LG UltraWide monitor. Press this button to open the OSD menu. In the OSD menu, navigate using the joystick to the Sound section. Within the Sound menu, select the Sound Out option. Choose HDMI ARC for audio return channel setup, which allows sound from connected devices to play through the monitor without extra cables. Or select Internal Speakers if you want to use the built-in monitor speakers directly. Ensure the volume is not muted and set to a reasonable level, such as 50 to 70 within the OSD menu. Volume is controlled at multiple levels: the monitor's physical buttons, your operating system's volume mixer, and individual applications. First, ensure the monitor's physical buttons aren't set to mute or too low volume. Second, check your operating system's volume mixer for device-specific controls. Third, individual applications may have their own volume controls that override system settings. Applications like games, media players, and streaming software can override your system's default volume settings. Each app has its own audio configuration that needs to be checked. Open the app settings, find the audio or output section, and make sure the LG monitor is selected as the output device with volume adjusted appropriately. For instance, in OBS streaming software, instead of selecting output only, choose monitor and output to allow the monitor speakers to work while streaming. This drop-down controls how audio is routed. In the OBS settings panel, under Output, verify the output mode is set to Advanced, and check the streaming settings to ensure proper audio configuration. By adjusting these app-specific settings, you prevent audio conflicts and ensure clear sound output through your LG UltraWide monitor speakers. Outdated or incompatible drivers often cause audio issues with LG UltraWide monitors. Update your graphics card drivers, particularly for G-Sync monitors, where NVIDIA drivers manage audio output. Visit LG's website to download monitor-specific drivers and ensure compatibility. Windows updates can sometimes create compatibility issues, so keep your system updated with the latest patches. Be cautious of fake update scams that may appear as security alerts. If your monitor supports it, typically 2024 to 2025 models use the LG ThinQ app for AI-driven diagnostics and sound testing. The AI sound mode automatically adjusts audio based on content type. Run the app's self-diagnostic tool to identify potential issues. This may require firmware updates. In summary, for LG UltraWide monitor speaker issues, start by checking all physical connections and ensuring no loose cables. Next, set the monitor as the default audio output in your operating system settings. Adjust volume controls at all levels: hardware buttons on the monitor, operating system mixer, and individual app settings. Update device drivers through your operating system or LG's website for compatibility. Use the LG ThinQ app for remote diagnostics and AI sound features. If issues persist, try restarting the monitor by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Contact LG support for further assistance if basic fixes don't work. Regularly check for firmware updates to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. For persistent problems, consider a factory reset of the monitor's settings through the OSD menu.